Qualifying for a home loan has changed throughout the decades. Now, back in the day, when a person applied for a home loan, some banks had an employee drive by that person's house. Now, what exactly was that bank employee looking for? The bank wanted to see if the applicant was mowing their lawn, right? So if their yard was neat and tidy and the lawn was mowed, then they qualified for a home loan. This is not how lenders qualify borrowers now. Hey guys, I'm Jared McBride, the Loan Guide, and today on the McBride Guide for Home Financing, I'm going to introduce the qualifying for a home loan process. Now today, banks are much more numbers driven, a little less concerned about your front lawn. The banks have created their own simple formulas to determine if they think that you are likely to pay them back. Now, if you fall within their specific parameters, then you qualify. If you don't fall within the parameters, you don't qualify for that bank at that time. Now, sometimes after someone is denied a loan, they're not told why they did not qualify. They may only need a small adjustment, like paying off one small credit card or paying off a medical bill, selling a car, maybe getting a small raise, or improving their credit score by just a few points to actually qualify. Now, these adjustments may only take a few days, or it could take months or years. It depends completely upon the individual and their situation, their specific situation. So qualifying for a home loan is not as easy as mowing your lawn, but if you understand the simple principles of home financing, or specifically what those banks are looking for, then you can put yourself in the best position to qualify for a home loan. Now remember, banks want to lend money, so that's how banks make their money. So the bank requires a formal loan application along with documents to back it up to determine if a borrower is likely to pay them back. Now these documents verify the following: credit score from 3 credit bureaus, verification of assets, down payment information, income and job history, current monthly income, current monthly debts, property value, and property type. Banks use all of these documentations to calculate specific formulas used in the lending industry. Now the big three, the main formulas, are the loan to value ratio, or LTV, the debt to income ratio, or DTI, and the credit score, often referred to as Fico. These ratios and documentation determine if you qualify and how much you qualify to borrow. So a simple way to think about qualifying for a home loan is to think about making cookies with a recipe. If you want to make oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, which, by the way, are my wife's very favoritist, you need all the right ingredients. You can't make oatmeal chocolate chip cookies without oatmeal or chocolate chips or sugar or vanilla or eggs or flour, for that matter. You need all of these ingredients in the right amount to make delicious, mouth-watering oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. And my wife would definitely notice if you replace the chocolate chips with raisins, but that's another story. So you also need to determine how many cookies you want to make. If you're making a dozen cookies, you need just the right amount of each ingredient for a dozen cookies. But if you're responsible to take cookies to everyone in your son's 2nd grade class, or to feed all the local firemen, you're going to need a lot more of each ingredient for your home. And the same is true with a home loan. First, you need each ingredient to qualify, and then you need enough of each of the ingredients to qualify for a specific loan amount. Now, in conclusion, the next videos on qualifying for a home loan, we will go through the application process, and we will discuss each of these ingredients in detail: credit report and credit score, monthly debts, work history and income, assets, property type, property value, and down payments or equity. We will also talk about how these ingredients are used to determine your loan-to-value ratio, the LTV, your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI, and credit score, or FICO, for the loan application. So once you know what the ingredients are and what the banks are looking for, you can put yourself in the best position to qualify for a home loan. Thank you for watching. Call me for a free loan consultation at 858-405-0549. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and please leave a comment below. I often get new ideas for videos from your questions. Check out more videos at my website, jaredmcbride.com. Okay, I'm ready.